Well, it's summer flowering bulb planting season here at Horkins. We've got a fantastic selection of summer flowering bulbs that if you plant at this time of year will flower from June right through summer and into autumn. Many of the varieties will flower up until November. Many are ideal for use as colour in shrub borders, flower borders and beds, but also in pots and containers. And many varieties are suitable for cutting as cut flowers, like the beautiful scented freesias or the lovely big flowering double dahlias, which give you colour from June right through until November and can be picked right through the summer. Also got a wide selection of perennial flowering bulbs. These are bulbs that if you plant now will come into flower this summer, but flower every summer after that and multiply in size. Plants like the lovely flowering astilbate, which come in different colours. You've got crocrosmia, one of the easiest of all summer flowering bulbs to grow. The calla lilies, which again have a couple of different colours to choose from, and you've got the lovely scented stargazer lilies as well. So if you want colour from mid-June right through until autumn, my advice is to plant a selection of summer flowering bulbs. Here at Horkins, we are open 7 days, Monday to Saturday 9:30 to 6 p.m. and every Sunday from 11 to 6 p.m. Catch you then.